Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the mysteries of the universe. In today's video, we will be discussing Eric Weinstein's geometric unity theory, which proposes a new framework for understanding the fundamental nature of reality. Eric Weinstein is a mathematician, economist, and physicist who has put forward a radical idea that seeks to unify the fundamental forces of nature into a single mathematical framework. This theory, called geometric unity, challenges the current paradigm of physics and offers new insights into the nature of reality. In the current paradigm of physics, we have two main frameworks to understand the universe: general relativity and quantum mechanics. These theories are incredibly successful in their respective domains, but they have not been reconciled with each other. The quest for a unified theory has been the holy grail of theoretical physics for decades, but we are yet to find a satisfactory solution. Eric Weinstein's geometric unity theory proposes a new framework that combines the principles of geometry, topology, and category theory to create a unified theory of physics. According to this theory, space-time is not fundamental, and it emerges from a more fundamental structure. Weinstein argues that the universe is made up of geometric objects that exist in a higher dimensional space. These objects are not mere abstractions, but they are the fundamental building blocks of reality. The universe is like a giant puzzle made up of these geometric objects, and our understanding of the laws of physics is the process of solving this puzzle. The geometric unity theory is not just a mathematical abstraction, but it has some remarkable implications for our understanding of the universe. For instance, it suggests that dark matter and dark energy may not be necessary to explain the observed behavior of galaxies and the expansion of the universe. Instead, these phenomena can be explained by the geometric structure of spacetime.